your parents, your uncles, your aunts, whoever you're with, they owe you some ice cream or something for this, you know? Folks, there you are. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I had a terrible headache. Excuse me. Excuse me. No prayer. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Business. Excuse me. With private business and labor. Excuse me. I signed last year. Excuse me.
Sorry.
And as we saw during the pandemic, excuse me. I'm going to take a sip here. And I want to take another sip of water. No lead, and I apologize for coughing. At approximately, excuse me, I beg your pardon, I swallowed wrong. I swallowed wrong. Excuse, I'm a little, I have an allergy. Excuse me, I have a frog in my throat here. Excuse me, I got a little frog in my throat. What I have is a 1.5-year-old grandson who had a cold, who likes to kiss his pop. And he'd been kissing anyway, so, but it's just a cold. Excuse me, I have a little cold. Excuse me for the cold. Excuse me for my cold. A little bit of a cold. Excuse me, I have a bit of a cold. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold. Let me start by apologizing for the slight cold I have. Excuse me, I have a little hoarse. Excuse me, I have a little hoarse.